Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today I am going to show you buffering. This is very simple but very important aspect of GIS, right? Because every time, whatever means, if you do the geoprocessing or some analysis related to location, then buffer is the one of the most important part of that. Because some how many like question it's all questions like how many restaurants in the radius of 10 kilometer from a particular location, like that, or how many hospitals or how many primary health center or whatever is available in a 10 kilometer radius or 50 kilometer radius or 5 kilometer radius. So it's very important, very simple. So I thought that you should know. So one thing is that I have these points. You can name it education center, hospital, whatever. These are points. So I can check that source is it is the WGS84, means the units are in degrees. So sometimes we have question that how to do buffering if you have units are in degrees. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. So if you go to these load these points and you go to vector, then go here and click on buffer. So it is already there. So distance in degrees right here mentioned. So this is important actually. So 1 degree is around 118 or 110 kilometer, right? So roughly, right? So if we say 10 kilometer, if I say 10 kilometer distance in degrees, means it's a 110 into 10, means it is more than 1000 kilometer. So I will write 1, right? 1 degree means 110 kilometer around. So I will just save it here somewhere, and I will the buff 10 degrees, whatever. Okay, then I will run it. Yeah, so you can see, so it is coming like this, right? So we'll little bit we'll play with this, and you can see. So you can see we have these circles. So if you want to measure it, then I will take this one, this measure line. The measure tool is here. So suppose I want to check from this point to this point. So you can see it's coming around 109 or 110 kilometer, means around this, right? So if you change in kilometer, then you can see it's a 100, around 110 kilometer, right? So it means that you can do buffering using, if you have units in degrees. Now it is not required to, if you have that unit should be in meter, but it is not recommended to create a buffer if we have uh, if your units are in degree. It's not recommended, it's not a good practice. I read somewhere, right? Because in if your units are in meter, then it will give you more accurate result. So if you like, we will do it again. Suppose now I will change my unit to 0.1 degree, right? Then I will just run it. Save buffer uf1, right? Run. So you can see now, maybe something I did wrong, right? I have to check here. It's 0.1, right? Yeah. So I will take points are my file. Then I will just delete this file from here. I will just make it like this, save, and this one. Why it is coming in GKPG? Anyway, Shapefile, right? Yeah. And so you can see now our buffer is like this. My earlier buffer was when we put 1 degree, it was coming 110 kilometer. Now it's a 0.1 degree. It means you can see it should come how much? Around 10 kilometer, right? It's giving, yeah. So it's around that. So there will be some error, or it will not give you the accurately as compared to the UTM. So next thing is that what you can do is you can just change the reproject the layer, which layer, points layer, and then you can change it up to, you can go to UTM, right? Projected, you go here, UTM, universal transfers, this one, right? And then it will give you or WGS84. Yeah, so you can WGS84. Suppose WGS84 I have, yeah, WGS84. Suppose it's okay, I will write here WGS84 UTM, right? 44, right? You have universal. Now I will show you how to. You can see here. So it will come then WGS84. Yeah. So UTM is, we have 44. Let's say north. So you can put anything. Means 43 also, but I am using this, right? So I will just run it. So you can see now here will be, now you can see I have this one, right? Means my units are in meters. So again I will do vector buffer and will use this one, and suppose I want 10 meters, right? Or if you want to see 10 kilometer or 2 kilometer or 5 kilometer, whatever. So 5 kilometer, then it will give you like this. You run this and now you can see, right? So you can see. So we have this one. So we have this 10-kilometer one, right? This is our point. This one, right? But it's in the, now you can check it. It will come like, yeah. So it is coming around 5 kilometer. So there will be some challenges about, but it is more accurate or people recommend it. recommend this type of means this practice, right? So I think this is that's it. This is what I wanted to show you. Keep practicing. Thank you.